Everyone, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn software installation, then practical sections. Okay, how to create new project file, how to install MPLAB X IDE and XC8 compilers. Okay, I have tell for first you can open for your Google Chrome. Actually opened mean it is opening for new tab only. You can type for MPLAB project. Okay, MPLAB X IDE. Okay, this software installation minimum requirement 4 GB RAM, then minimum memory local disk C space is minimum 20 GB is needed. So you can click it for MPLAB X IDE. You can showing for http://www.microchip.com tools develop. You can click it that MPLAB X IDE. It is showing for microchip website. You can click it for softwares. Scrolling down, download MPLAB X IDE. It is showing for latest version everything. So first one MPLAB X IDE Windows. You want download mean you can update. Windows laptop mean you can directly download for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, release notes, everything is there. I want download for Windows. You can press it for download icon. It is directly downloading to your download pages. Okay, already my laptop the software is installed, so I can pause. Okay, so you want mean you can download it. It is minimum coming software storage is 1.1 GB. So this installation everything is same procedure only, no complicated. So you can install everything is nest only. So you want download for nest XC8 compiler. You are using PIC16F877A. It is 8-bit microcontroller. So you download for 8-bit compiler. So you can type it for in Google tab XC8 compiler. So I click it for XC8 compilers is coming for MPLAB XC8 compilers, then MPLAB XC8 compiler. I clicked for MPLAB XC8 compilers. Okay, it is showing for 16-bit compiler, 32-bit compiler. So my need for only 8-bit compiler. So I scrolling down. So here is showing for XC8 compiler downloads. View XC8 compiler downloads. View 16-bit compilers. DSC compiler. 32-bit compiler. So I want click it for XC8 compiler. Okay, it is redirect to another one tab. So here you can check it for MPLAB XC8 C compiler Windows installer, MPLAB XC8 C compiler Mac OS, then Linux, Windows, then Mac OS. So you want download. So here you can click it mean no login instruction, everything is nothing. So you can directly download to your laptop. This XC compiler downloading time you can mention for add to environment path checkbox, you can click it. Otherwise this software is not came to your MPLAB X IDE. Okay, so you can installing time you can carefully install to this MPLAB XC8 C compiler. So you want showing one checkbox add to environment path. That environment path you can click it, then click it next. Otherwise this MPLAB XC8 compiler is not integrated to your MPLAB X IDE software. So I have already installed in MPLAB X IDE software showing for in my desktop screen. So MPLAB X IDE, then MPLAB IBE. So you are installing MPLAB X IDE mean it is showing for MPLAB X IDE and MPLAB IBE. So both file is showing. So my file is successfully installed or not. How will I check? So already I have opened one software. This software is already opened. So MPLAB X IDE newly installed mean this software is opening. That time is showing for start base and then microchip technology. So I have already installed mean that is not showing. I want removed. So I have how to create new project file, new project, then microchip embedded, then application project. So I click it for next and then you can select for your device PIC16F877A, PIC16F877A. Then you can click it on next. Then here you can showing for compiler tool change. XC8 mean your installation is everything is correct. Otherwise your installation is wrong. Next video I have tell for how to write an LED blink program. I hope you now clearly understand how to download MPLAB X IDE and XC8 compiler, then how to compiler is correctly installed or not, how to check this configuration. If this explanation helped you understand the concept, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Need help with final year projects or mini projects or IEEE projects, contact on WhatsApp. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.